I am the one who is always chosen. I am the priority. I am the desire. I am the magnet. I walk into every space and I am immediately recognized as someone who stands out. My presence is radiant. My confidence is undeniable. My energy is captivating. I am the first choice and the only choice. I know I am wanted. I embody my worth. I am the fulfillment of every desire. My energy is unforgettable. My energy is undeniable. My energy is unshakable. I am remembered. I am craved. I am valued. I am the main character. I am the love interest that never fades. I am the flame that never dies. I am the one they think about constantly. I am the one they dream of. I am the one they return to. My soulmate looks at me and sees their future. Their heart knows I am the one. Their soul knows I am home. They choose me without hesitation. They choose me with certainty. They choose me with reverence. They value my opinion. They value my laughter. They value my spirit. I am magnetic. I am vibrant. I am aligned with love. I am aligned with connection. I am aligned with joy. I am irreplaceable. I am chosen over and over again. I am the one they rush to. I am the one they celebrate. I am the one they choose without question because there is no comparison. I am unique. I am exceptional. I am the obvious choice. My aura is irresistible. My soul is radiant. My heart is magnetic. I am love in motion, and that love is always returned to me multiplied. I am seen. I am cherished. I am adored. I am unforgettable. I am undeniable. I am chosen. I am loved. I am the embodiment of yes. I am the evidence of miracles. I am a walking affirmation. My reality bends to my worth. My world is shaped by my certainty. I am the chosen one in every timeline. I am divine. I am powerful. I am destined for greatness. I am chosen. I am more than enough. I am everything and more. I am always enough to be chosen. I am the reason the love I seek is already mine. Everything about me is magnetic. I am chosen. I am adored. I am respected. I am worshipped. I am desired. I am loved. I am so aligned with being chosen. I am always chosen. I am always wanted. I am always welcomed. I am always prioritized. My confidence radiates. My presence is potent. My love is rare. I am chosen. I affirm it. I embody it. I breathe it in. I am chosen. I speak like I'm chosen. I think like I am chosen. I am the one. I am chosen. I am loved. I am the first choice always. And so it is. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they choose me without hesitation to affirm. And if you would like to get your soulmate back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. I can help you get your love back fast and easy like I have helped my thousands of other clients. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next meditation.